Hey, what's up guys? Jackson here at Toasty DIY, and today I am very excited to try a new technology that I've never personally heard or felt before. These are the bone conduction earbuds from Raycon. Now I do gotta give a shout out to Raycon for actually sending these over and sponsoring today's video, but they did tell me that I could be honest about them. So I'm excited to see just exactly how these feel, because I am one of those people who have some kind of weird shaped ears where I don't really wear earbuds almost ever, because I have to have the earbuds that go around the back of my ear or else they literally just fall out. I don't know what is wrong with my left ear, but it's way smaller than my right one. So I'm excited to see if these kind of fix that issue, since they don't exactly go inside my ear. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and unbox the bone conducting earbuds. So for these Raycon bone conduction headphones, you're looking at a price around $80, but that can vary with discounts and coupons, and you can get these currently in 4 different colors. We can get gray, which we have here for the video. You can get blush violet, which is like a very pretty purple. We can get a royal blue, and we can also get a cool mint. These do come with a 30-day trial and a 1-year warranty, and really the main bonus feature of having these earphones is going to be there's no ear fatigue. If you ever have had headphones or earbuds in for a long time, you know all too well what I'm talking about, where your ears literally start to ache and hurt and you just really want them out. So you can listen to audio all day, every day without having any of that fatigue. They have a very open design, which does allow for real-time awareness. So no need for any of like that audio pass-through or anything that you're gonna have with other headphones. You don't have to worry about getting like open back or anything, because these are literally not in your ears. So you can actually hear what's going on around you, which is great for when you're in like a blue-collared field and you need to be able to hear what people are saying around you. They're pretty lightweight overall, especially since they kind of have like the neckband. There's not any unnecessary weight. They are waterproof. They're IP68 waterproof, and they have a 13-hour battery, which does outlast pretty much any workout you can actually do. All right, so I just looked at the instructions real quick. I'm not a big instruction guy, so I kind of want to see just how user-friendly these are. So they give us like these little stickers here that say adjust me. I think realistically they're just saying you can kind of move them around on your ear as you see fit. And just from the one picture I looked at, it's pretty clear that they go on like this. Unless you know, which, and there are people out there that don't have ears, but for most people that have, you know, their full ear, it's pretty much impossible for these not to work for you, because you can see they don't really even go in your ear, although you can adjust them to where they're close, but still, you mainly want them on the sides here from what I gather with them being bone conduction. And I gotta say, in terms of like fit, I'll have to go with a jog or something with these. I don't see any way that these can like fall off or move. They're literally pretty comfortably fixed on my ear. The only part that's really touching at all is this right here against like my temple. And it's not pressure. It's not like pushing into my temple. It's just a very light silicone feel, just right there. And then as far as going over the ears, it really doesn't sit on the bridge of my ear very much. It's almost kind of hovering above them. So in terms of like the feel, it's almost like they're not there. They're really not too bad. I don't feel this at all because I don't know, I don't really have enough hair. I don't know if maybe people with more hair could feel it, but it's not even touching the back of my head, so that's not a problem. But let's see how these actually work. So I'm gonna go ahead and press, I guess, mode. I don't even know if these have like an LED. Oh, we got an LED right there. Oh, I felt a vibration. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to pair these now. So I'm turning on my Bluetooth. Okay. We're gonna allow it to do call history so that we can do phone calls and stuff. Ah, there we go. Look at that. We're connected with 100% battery. I have not charged them yet too. I literally just opened them, so that's pretty good. That means that sitting in the box for, I think, at least a few weeks, plus however long they were manufactured and shipped for, they've held a charge for that long, so that's pretty good. That means the battery has some really good memory to it. All right, I'm just gonna go straight into this. Got them on my ear. Yeah, instantly I'm listening to Creed. We're gonna do some non-copyright music. We're gonna do some Harris Heller. I'm not even sure if you guys would be able to hear this or not, so I'm gonna try this. Let's go Harris Heller. Yeah, that is so weird. I'm curious, can you hear it? Wow. So, that is so weird. I mean, okay, so you can very faintly, you guys can probably hear that a little bit, right? When I'm holding it up to my, but when I'm holding it like here, you guys probably can't hear it hardly at all. But then when I put it on, it's pretty clear as day, and I can still, like, someone could be having a conversation with me right now, and I could still hear them, which is kind of cool. You don't have to worry about, like, the whole, like pass-through technology that some of the new earbuds out there have, that, and some don't. A lot of earbuds don't have pass-through, where you literally have to take out your earbuds to hear people talk. That's pretty cool. Now, as far as the sound goes, obviously since it's not in my ear, I'm not getting like punched with bass, although I can feel it. That part's a little strange. I can feel like the whole entire piece kind of vibrating, but it's not a bad feeling. It kind of is a sensation of bass, you could say. And then, you know, obviously you don't have like, you got a good amount of treble. It feels like it's mostly like kind of like mid is how I would describe it, like mids, because it's not like in your ear, it's kind of going through the bone. It's almost bypassing your ear, I guess. It's kind of crazy, hard to describe. But I think the main selling point of these is the fact that you can hear people talking and you don't have to have them in. And they're one piece, which is really cool. You don't have to have two separate earbuds. You're not going to be losing these as easily because they're not tiny. I mean, and not to say that they're cumbersome or anything. They're very lightweight, very flexible, but I have always had a fear of losing earbuds. I know people lose their really expensive earbuds all the time because they're so small. So I think this is pretty cool. And I've thrown on some real music, and we're just going to hope that you guys can't hear it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Right now I have it at, I think I'm at about like half volume. I'll tell you what, when you turn the volume up, it's kind of bizarre, like the way that it almost feels like you have like mini subwoofers on your head. You know, you really like feel the bass. It's definitely, it's an interesting feeling. And then to kind of touch on that point that they made of basically adjust, which is a rotate, it makes a huge difference on the sound depending on like where they're at on your ear. So when you're rotating it, the closer you kind of get to like your ear, I'd say almost the more you can kind of hear the sound. Oh, and then I forget that you also have a plus and minus button on here. So yeah, you can turn the volume up. I didn't even know you could get the volume up this high. It's really cool, like being able to, I can actually talk to you guys and like hear myself talk. For more secure fit on smaller head sizes, use the optional fit strap to tighten and hold the headphones firmly in place. So that's like a strap that goes on like the back side that I guess just kind of, it's probably like a rubber band basically, and it kind of pulls them towards you. All pretty simple. I'm going to show you guys those one more time in case you didn't see them earlier. That's all the modes. Now, as far as charging goes, I do think we have a magnetic style mount. Ooh, that's interesting. It's on the inside. There we go. Are you ready? Boop. Look at that. Yeah, it's magnetic. That's pretty nifty. Makes it a little bit easier to make sure that you're not like missing the charge port or anything. Yeah, no, I don't think you guys can't hear that I'm listening to music right now, can you? I Be Quiet and Drive by Deftones towards the end of the song right now. I know exactly where I'm at. You guys can't even hear that? And it's crazy because I can hear like everything around me. I can hear perfectly. And you know, whenever you're wanting to, you know, you're riding on the bus with your friends, you want them to hear something. This is cool. You don't have to put anything in your ears. So that is another kind of discovery I just kind of made about. I'm testing out a pair of earbuds for a video, so I'm recording this. All right, so I got to ask, how does it sound on your end? Do I sound good, or would you say it's is it weird? All right, so but you said that the earbuds though not too shabby overall. Cool. All right, well you sound good. You sound good on my end, so that's all I needed to check. All right, so you heard that first. Like I said, honest review. She was crystal clear. I could hear her perfectly. It sounded good. I'm excited to hear that from a $80 or less pair of bone conducting earbuds. So now my last test is going to be Discord, and then I also kind of want to run around with these things too and just see how they hold up. All right, I got some of my favorite band, Deftones, playing, and I mean, it's crystal clear. I'm probably about 3/4 volume right now, doing about a 25 mile an hour. No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably doing like a 5 mile an hour jog or so. Going over grass too, bumpy terrain, and it's crystal clear. I can hear my surroundings, but it's surprisingly the music does a pretty good job drowning out a lot of the like side noise. But I think I could still have a conversation with someone if I needed to right now. It's really windy too and really cold. I guess you'd call it the way that it holds on. It's really not moving at all. Like the music's not going in and out or anything crazy. So I'm liking them. I respect these, honestly. I was skeptical, but I'm kind of sold now. And also I realized I have not ran in a while. I'm out of breath. Yeah, I think it's really funny. I had my fiance try them on, and right now, I'm assuming you guys can't hear it at all, or if you can, it's really quiet. And it's crazy because right now, like I said, it's pretty loud. I'm turning it down a little bit. It's pretty crazy because it's almost like you have to feel them to believe it. You just would think that there's just little speakers that are like really loud blasting into your ear, but no, they literally, if you take them off, I mean, you see if I hold them up to you guys, you can kind of hear it. You can probably hear it a little bit, yeah. But when they're on me, I literally can like feel the bass. You hear everything perfectly, crystal clear. And they really don't look bad either. So I'm a fan. All right, well, I feel like I don't really need to do much more to prove these bone conducting earbuds. I mean, they're good. They're very good. I'm very impressed. I do think, you know, what kind of person are they for? I think they can definitely be for most people. I think the one group of people these may not be perfect for are like audiophiles who are just looking for the most crystal clear, the best bass, the best mids, the best lows, best everything. You know, there's $400 headsets for that, right? Like there's expensive headsets for that reason. These, like I said, they're around 80 bucks, give or take. That's pretty cheap for wireless. And on top of that, the fact that they don't go in your ear at all, they're very unique. So I think they're for the type of person who basically does any type of activity. So whether it's you're working out, you're a blue-collar worker doing construction, you're even in a field that I'm in. Some of us walk with earbuds in around the office, you know, just wanting to vibe out. And it's, you know, every time it's, hey man, oh, what's up? But with these, it's like, hey man, yeah, what's up? You can hear me? Yeah, I can hear you crystal clear, just fine. So that is pretty cool. I think these have a lot of advantages for safety as well. They don't have the ear fatigue, which is nice, that you get from earbuds sitting in your ears. They're pretty private overall, like I said. You really cannot hear that they're on. Not any more than normal earbuds, at least. So overall, I'd say they're pretty good. And lastly, they're good for people like me. I just have weird ears. I don't think that's super common. I know everyone typically will have different size actual, like, I don't even just call it ear holes, but so that's why they give you different tips for a lot of them. With these, it literally doesn't matter. Your ears can be like any size or shape really, and these should work just fine for you. So anyways, all right, I'm done ranting. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to buy a pair of these, there will be a special link down below. That'll just let them know that you bought a pair basically, or that you checked it out. So if you don't mind using that link to check them out, I appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to check out PC Bros for gaming PCs, and see y'all later.